Welcome to the Central Global Market. Are you hungry or thirsty roaming around the AQG? You will visit Purple House, Domi's Restaurant, Sordelio Eatery, and our food stall at the parking area. And to make it memorable, please visit our Pasalubong Center at the North Point area of the NGG building. And to experience the Korean culture, you may rent the handbook or the Korean traditional costume and take pictures around the AGG. The rental is only 150 pesos for kids and adults. Thank you very much. Good summer.